Datsun 510 project. I took off the fender because I needed to take out the rocker panel. The reason I needed to take out the rocker panel is because it got rust throughout. So as I took the fender off, I went ahead and cleaned up the upper frame here. Luckily, I just had quite a bit of surface rust. I was able to take that off, and then I hit it with some rust mort, so that way I don't have any issues with rust in the future. I will clean and like spray paint this and clean it all up. As you see, I have 1, 2, 3 bolts that broke off in the nuts, so I'll end up having to get those out somehow. First I'll cut this piece out, which looks to be a box piece here and a curved piece here. Once I replace that, I will cut this portion of the rocker panel out. I will be taking not the whole entire piece. I'm going to leave the upper portion on it, assuming that the structural integrity is there. I know along the back they'll actually be replacing the full portion of it, just based on there's already a patch panel there, so I'll cut out that patch panel and replace it with a brand new full patch panel. But yeah, so more and more cutting. This is the while I'm at it phase of this project. Clearly I've got a lot of work that I have to do, and I think the car will look and be much better whenever I get done, but man, is it time consuming. Thanks for watching. So you see me drill out all of the spot welds up to this point, and I've just done a quick cut here just so I can get to the other portions of this and sort of figure out how I'm going to replace the front section as well as the back section. But I should be able to sort of peel this back, so I figured you might want to watch and see like what's all inside the rocker panel. It should just shouldn't be attached by really anything. Oh, there's a little bit of attachment over here. Except for that, look at all this. So you can just see all of this shale in here, so I'll go ahead and work on getting this piece off and then moving from there. I'm planning on laying the new piece over the top here and just welding it onto this piece. So yeah, keep watching. Whew. All right, so, rust repair. Going down along here, you see that the metal underneath here isn't so bad. All the way up in the front there, I'm gonna have to replace that piece still, that I haven't cut out yet. You get to here and you just see that ain't good, right? So, like to the point where I really should probably throw the car away, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to try to repair this piece, which means this wheel's going to have to come off too. I'm going to then cut out these, because like, I mean, look, that's just like Bondo and like goop and whatever else someone put in there to try to fit the form correctly. So I'll try to cut here all the way around, sort of in this area, try to get that done. I'm going to repair this piece to go out and build against, and then we'll replace this rear floorboard. As you see, there's just a tiny bit of daylight. Hello! on the other side. The thing I'll have to do is add in this piece all the way back so I can tack weld on the new rocker panel. Yeah, I'll have to rebuild this down, and then I'll have to rebuild that along the way and fix these rust holes here in the floor. But this project's getting pretty sporting. This will probably be the last of this video. If you like what you see, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you very much. Bye.